Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's happening. I called it with the Ricochet anti-cheat. What's going to happen to these streamers? And it happened. Let's take a look. Warzone streamer, don't really care, appears to have hit with one of Ricochet anti-cheat's new countermeasures while live on his stream. He seems to have been unaware that the enemy players disappearing on his screen is because of Ricochet and is not a glitch, like he claims. Let's take a look.
And literally, I'm going to get back on in a second. Like, straight up, like, there's people in this chat right now that don't follow me. They'll be like, mate, Luke's got a shadow ban. Watch this. Really out there? What the I'm taking fire! Mate, legit.
Yeah, so you can see the anti-cheat kicking in.
Literally disappeared.
See, he's thinking it's a glitch, but it's the it's that invisibility cloak. I mean, he's still taking people down, but
watch it, Wes. Watch this. Okay, show. Now it's not working. All right, hold on a minute.
How are you this oblivious about Ricochet's anti-cheat? Unless he was just playing stupid.
Watch the screen.
See, he can't see them, and they're. It's great.
Right in front of me, I didn't see nothing.
I can't believe it.
Yep, they're all invisible. He can't see them.
Glitch where you shoot bullets and the person disappears because of texture shaders or whatever. Like,
Yeah, it's pretty nuts.
I don't know. I think he knows. I think he knows that it's the anti-cheat and just playing stupid. I'm sorry. Like, come on, you can't be that oblivious. If you're a Call of Duty streamer and you're cheating and you don't know about the Ricochet anti-cheat, come on. But like I had called it on the previous video with this Ricochet anti-cheat, we're going to be seeing more and more and more of this happening with streamers. Now, apparently, some popular Call of Duty streamers have taken a break. And one in particular has been outed as cheating, but they claim if you keep in touch with who plays these games and the ones that are being watched the most, you'll know who I'm talking about. I don't care for their content, their personality. They're terrible. But hey, they get views and people like to watch cheaters. I don't know. I don't get it. But we're gonna be seeing a lot more of this, guys and gals. Either streamers stop playing Call of Duty because of the anti-cheat kicking in, coincidentally, or we're going to be seeing more stuff like this. Never heard of this person. Doesn't look like I'd ever watch this person, which is great. So I don't have to, and you don't have to either. But what do you guys think? Is this Ricochet anti-cheat here to stay? Is it going to be bypassed? What do we do about this when a streamer like this gets caught, like red-handed here? Do they get removed from the platform? Do they get banned? Like, what do we do to stop this BS? Because it's people like this, and a lot of them, that ruin it for everybody else. And it needs to get fixed, and we need to have heavier measures on this stuff. Like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I appreciate you guys. It's some news. Take care.